All right, so now we move on to the milk for the single latte. Take your steaming pitcher and your milk. And for a single latte, you have one ready to steam. So what I'm going to do to steam the milk for a single latte is drop the steam wand down in to where the tip of the steam wand is below the surface of the milk and turn on the steam wand. There's then 3 processes that go into steaming the milk for the latte, and the first is after I turn it on, I have the tip of the steam wand submerged below the surface of the milk. I have the steam wand resting in this ridge, and I have the pitcher held at the right angle so that the milk is swirling inside the pitcher. You're going to keep it swirling until right when you feel the milk warm up, you feel it kind of match the temperature of your hand, and it's right at about 100 degrees. And then you're going to want to drop it down to where the tip of the steam wand is just above the surface of the milk. That's going to start introducing air into the milk, and that's where you make your foam. Now that we're making a latte, you're not going to do that quite as long as you would for a cappuccino. Seeing as less milk or less foam goes into a latte. The third step is then bring your pitcher back up, submerge the tip back into the milk, and keep it swirling until you reach the right temperature.